Allumage 2 ESR, décollage.
And liftoff of New Glenn.
Good morning, afternoon, or evening, wherever you're watching from. I'm ThatSpaceDoge, or Aiden, the founder of ThatSpaceDogeGuy. Still cannot say it correctly. Today, we're here for the Long March 2D, at least, hopefully, the 2D launch from the Xichang Satellite Launch Center in China. It's almost 2 a.m. in China, so it's pretty late. Today, we are joined also by FaZe. Hello.
Hello again.
Welcome, FaZe, to the stream, and of course, we also have someone else on the stream today, and that's Max. Hello.
Hello.
Welcome to the stream, Max. He's just going to be in the background for a little bit. He's doing his own things. Anyhow, never used that word before, but I'm just going to use it. What are we going to have today, FaZe?
If some guys closer to the launch site are to be believed, a Long March 2D with something.
Something? That's scary. What are the payload speculations to say?
Based on drop zones and the ones that overlap previously. Possibly more Guoang test satellites.
More? That's why are they testing more?
Why does Starlink test new satellite versions?
I mean, should they?
Reasons.
Okay, let's actually see. Well, if it was, they're gonna use the what type of fairing? Because there are a lot of type of fairings I've seen. We've talked about earlier as well. There are a lot of fairings.
It was like the same as last time, which was the 4.2 meter diameter fairing.
Yeah, there are a lot of fairing times, which is kind of stupid, but okay. Yeah.
Yeah, that fairing is believed to have been introduced on the rocket in late March out of newer composite materials.
Okay. Very interesting.
Without specifying the composite material.
Okay, let's go to the people in the chat. Let's just say hello to them. Capt, Corey, Go for Lunch here. Benja, Volcha, if I'm pronouncing that right. Armand, Joe in Space, and Kat saying the names of our commentators, please. I missed them. Well, I'm Aiden, the founder of ThatSpaceDogeGuy, and FaZe, he is co-host for today. Can I say your real name? Yeah, right.
Yeah, it's attached to my website.
Oh yeah, forgot. Jack Congram or /FaZe. He will also be here today, and we have Max also just in the back, just sitting here. So yeah. We got about 9 minutes to go, at least expected, until the launch of...
9 minutes expected. About dead set in the middle of the window.
I mean, we got some from the guys close to the launch site that you were talking about as well.
Yeah, it's been fun to hear status updates.
Yeah, I mean, the... how do you call it? The loops, the mission control audio is just played on the speakers, right?
Well, yeah, because some workers won't leave until about 10 minutes before liftoff, so they need to be in the know. And because the launch site is in a very mountainous region, those speakers can carry quite far.
Yeah. Do you think from this webcam, if there was actual audio, you could have heard it, or is it not that far?
I don't know, we're dozens of miles. We will see it. It's where those clouds are being lit up by the launch site.
Very exciting. Is there lights at the launch pad? Yeah, but it's not quite visible.
Yeah, they're extremely bright.
They are bright. Yeah. Cap saying, can we get a picture of the rocket? Well, we don't have any pad cameras for today. Very sorry. And we don't have pre-launch images to show you, at least. To show you.
Yeah.
Just to
It'll be the same. Be the same as yesterday, presumably. Not yesterday. No, last month.
I was going to say, yesterday. What? Could it be nighttime and no lights? I mean, they need pad lights to see. And this is from a camera pretty far away.
Yeah, we jokingly do what is called dot tracking.
Yeah. The dot tradition, as I would say. It's a very cool tradition. We do it with the Taiwan launches, the Xichang launches. No, with the Wingchang launches, because we actually have pad cams for it. Are there any more launch sites? No, I think that's it, right? Xichang and Taiwan?
I mean, if you don't mind hiking through the desert for a half day, we could do it at Xichang. But they launch so much at Xichang, it's not really worth it to be hiking in and out all the time.
No. I don't think that's fun.
And Xichang's media team is very fast.
Yeah. So that's much better. To just get
Also, don't hike to Xichang. Don't do it. It is a strand of military base, and you may get hit by artillery.
Oh.
Because it's also a test range.
Oh. Exciting. Glad to have the coverage. Well, no problem, Capt. Phase, go ahead.
It would be exciting until it wasn't.
Yeah.
And he wasn't.
Yeah. Ooh. What the hell do they test over there? Like, scary. Cap saying, glad to have the coverage once again. No problem. We're doing our best to get webcams and stuff out here. Now, this webcam is, I would say, pretty much, I wouldn't say 24/7. We've let it run for quite a while now, but it's not fully 24/7. But yeah, very cool. T-minus 5 minutes to go. If we get any updates from Heart of the Rockets, me or FaZe will let you know. Oh, sure, I should get the images up of how the 2D looks like. I completely forgot to show that. The pictures of the rocket of how it's supposed to look like, at least. This is from a previous launch.
The March 26th with Guowangs.
A day launch, yes. Well, today's a night launch. We'll get images for that sometime.
It's a similar ascent path from when I checked.
It was from a previous flight.
Because they could be doubling up a test shell, which is very interesting.
A test shell? I mean, didn't Heart of the Rocket say, like, there's going to be some new special things on board? It's just from his words. I don't know.
The rumor is it's a new Typho platform. Which, with what we know of Guowang, could be a significant shedding of mass, because those satellites are damn heavy, or they could be backpacked.
Yeah.
Like Anthony's and Starlink.
Okay. Vulture asking, do they have cameras there at all, or they're only at the larger launches? Heart of the Rocket is not doing his best to get pad views. Although he should, because we're taking this...
Mainly because we need approval from some people within the PLA.
Yeah, and we get that for Fengyun launches or Chanwen launches. So, suspecting the next important launch, we do get pad camps again from the Xichang team. And there will be more out there then, too, of course, because now there are just 2 people out there. If it was a special event, there would be about 6 to 10 people at average, which is quite a lot. But they're all...
Yeah, I think the last launch we got live feeds of the pad from, without expecting it, was a random Beidou launch.
Oh yeah, that could be true. Yeah. Sometimes we get random feeds from some streamers out there. But don't they need approval for these phone streams, or are they just gonna stream out of the blue?
It depends on payload. When the people in charge say yes, and if there is available airtime, because it will also be covered by cable news.
That is true. That is true. T-minus 3 minutes to go. 2 minutes 40 seconds. And we're looking good. So, yeah, what should we come up if in the next 2 minutes, of course, launch? What?
Well, we've got word that the command center has given the approval to proceed. So presumably the rocket will be in charge of itself momentarily, followed by engine ignition, which begins the T plus clock, which is the weird quirk of Chinese launches, followed by ascent, and I believe 10 seconds after launch we'll start seeing it appear over the mountains.
Yep.
Varies from rocket to rocket. The 4B is the slowest to get out of there. The 3 series is very quick.
Yeah, very indeed. So, yeah, just a minute, 30 seconds to go. Got a little bit to go. Just stand by here as we get closer to the launching. And we're probably going to hear some updates from Heart of the Rocket, if not already. No.
The only reason for a hold now, if there was to be one, would be weather. But there are many weather balloons and satellites. Double checking, triple checking.
Do we got any updates from Heart of the Rocket? Because I'm not focusing on chat.
Only that we're proceeding.
Okay.
Oh, hey, I'm alive again.
Oh, you're alive. Okay. Okay, for the people just joining us, we're waiting on the launch of the 2D.
Expected liftoff in 3, 2, 1.
I mean...
Okay.
Looks go.
Okay, we should.
The arms are said to have been retracted, meaning the rocket is on internal power and moments from liftoff. There we go.
And liftoff of the
visual
2D.
There. Creeping over the mountains.
Heart of the Rocket confirming launch as well, I'm seeing.
So I'll be heading southeast.
Look at that.
If anyone here is from Southeast Asia and primarily the north of Vietnam, you might have some luck of seeing second stage ascent and burnout.
Isn't it already like 2 a.m.? I don't expect, but you could have a chance though.
Yeah. Weather enabling.
I think we have seen Uncle saying potato quality. Yeah, it is all we are going to see for today. And that will be the most you will see on a Xichang or Taiwan launch, except of course if it's a bigger event than usual. But we did have liftoff, that is confirmed. Now, what should be happening in the next few minutes from now?
Minute. And roughly a minute from now, there will be second stage engine ignition and separation. Hot staged, of course.
Oh, hot staging, okay. Well, some people in chat saying, well, something better than nothing. Something better than nothing. Yep, indeed. that was different. Enjoyed it and appreciate the stream. No problem, everyone. We're doing our best here to capture launch, even if it's just small as this. We already see that as something. Like, if we see something, we can confirm we saw it live, basically. So,
as for some questions on launch vehicle identity, that's based on drop zones and some people closer to the site. The only other rocket this could be is a Long March 2C because they are near identical.
yeah, and I don't think the team would have spotted that.
Yeah, it's literally just a letter change that's very hard to see from a distance.
Yeah. I mean, does it have any internal changes?
They're manufactured differently. Their performance is almost the same. They are operated by different companies for the sake of competitiveness.
Oh, so it's a competitive 2D versus 2C.
The 2D is also part of the Long March 4 line. Not to be confusing.
Okay, interesting. Someone's saying, I think this is great what you're doing. Keep up the good work. No problem. We'll try our best in the future, even with this busy month of June, because, like FaZe explained earlier, we're going to have a lot of...
maybe as many as a dozen launches from China in June.
Yeah. Ooh, well, that will be exciting. This is like the only live feed of those Chinese launches I've found. Yeah. If you check back at our previous coverages of the Long March or the Shenzhen 22 landing, that was from the CCTV Plus coverage. If you check the coverages from Long March 7A, for example, we were the only one capturing live feed for that, which was quite interesting because I did not expect that. And we also had from the Long March 8 carrying Space Shuttle. That was also completely our views, which is pretty cool. Now, coming up in the next few... the next whatever that we cannot broadcast, which we apologize for, the Long March 6A and the 8, because the 8, they're not going to be a lot of members at Wengchang, and the 6A, I don't think we have time for these. That's all I'm saying. Oh, and the GL3 one.
They go all good times and lightings for our cameras.
Yeah, well, I'm sure there are going to be some more flights coming up, some important ones too that we might be able to stream, which I really hope so, because it's going to be pretty cool in June. So, I cannot wait. That's, yeah. Now, we're just going to have to wait and see until we get an official confirmation from whatever source, the CCTV team, cast team, whatever, Xinhua News, whatever, whoever's providing success.
Xinhua News will run a very brief bullet announcing the liftoff time of the payload, and then identities of all the operators involved will be revealed within an hour after that, which will come anywhere from 50 minutes to 4 hours from launch.
Wow. I think that will be concluding our coverage here. Yeah, we'll be back. We'll still have some more streams planned, so don't be shocked when you only see the Soyuz planned. We will for sure have more coverages planned for you guys. Now, once again, we cannot stream both Long March 6A and 8, and we do have a South Korean coming up, which we might be able to stream. Question marks, though, because it's kind of off reach of network, but we'll try our best to get the best coverage of that. And maybe... Wait, hold on. Just a quick search. I need to check. Oh, we might be able to have Starlink in South Korea. Question marks, question marks. Just, I cannot spoil too much, but yeah, we'll see how things are gonna go in the next in the next month, June. So yeah, that will be it. Of course, cannot forget before we go. Every time I say goodbye, we cannot forget one thing. Phasey, on to you for stats.
Okay, so presuming this was the Long March 2D, today was its 105th mission and the 267th launch from the Shanghai Academy,
Don't make
the
a joke.
646th Long March series launch, and the 34th orbital launch attempt from China this year.
Alright, well, great. Everyone saying 6-7 in chat will get banned. Anyhow, that will be it. Oh, yeah, of course. Max, do you have anything to say about today's launch?
Not really.
Well, I'm glad you were at least just in call here today. That was great. Just keeping an eye on us. Probably taking some notes. Just kidding. Anyhow, that will be it from me. Today's coverage will come to a close. Now we'll be back probably for the next whatever launch. If it's a Long March, if it's a Falcon 9, whatever is launching. I cannot keep up with them. So yeah, we'll just see how things are gonna go. That will be it from us. Well, thank you guys so much for watching, and we will see you next time.
Allumage 2 ESR, décollage.
And liftoff of New Glenn 3.